Hey everyone! Welcome back to IndeedSEO, your go-to channel for all things SEO, marketing, and cutting-edge digital tools. Today, we've got something super exciting to talk about, SearchGPT. Have you heard about it? If not, don't worry, because we're about to guide you through it. Now, you've probably used Google or Bing a million times, right? But what if we told you that the way we search online is about to change forever? Enter SearchGPT, a game-changing AI tool by Openai that's flipping the script on how we search and interact with information. So, first things first, what exactly is SearchGPT? In simple terms, SearchGPT is an AI-powered search engine. But don't let the term search engine fool you. It's not just about giving you a list of search results like Google. Nope. It's all about providing direct answers, conversational responses, and a more personalized search experience. Instead of sifting through hundreds of links, SearchGPT understands your question and gives you a straightforward answer, just like if you were talking to an expert. Imagine this: you ask a question, and instead of clicking multiple links, you get your answer right there in the chat. Sounds pretty cool, right? Alright, let's break it down. How does SearchGPT work? It's built on the GPT 3.5 and GPT-4 language models, which are pretty powerful when it comes to understanding language and generating human-like responses. When you type a question, SearchGPT doesn't just pick a few keywords from your query. No, it dives deeper, analyzing the context behind your words. That means it understands what you're really asking and then provides a response based on that context. Whether you're looking for facts, detailed explanations, or even a back-and-forth conversation, SearchGPT has got you covered. Now, let's talk about what makes SearchGPT so special. There are a few key features that make it stand out from the crowd, especially if you're in the world of SEO and digital marketing. Ready? Here we go. Conversational interface. First off, SearchGPT is all about conversation. Imagine chatting with an expert who answers your questions in real time. You ask a question, get an answer, and if you need more details, you ask again. It's like having a natural, back-and-forth conversation. Direct answers. Forget sifting through endless pages of search results. SearchGPT gives you direct answers. Need to know what's the capital of Canada? Boom, you get Ottawa right away, no need to click anything. Citation panel. Here's something that sets SearchGPT apart, the citation panel. You get sources for the information it provides. That means you can trust that the data is coming from reliable places, and if you want to dig deeper, you can follow those citations. Follow-up questions. Let's say you asked a question and got an answer, but you need more clarification. Instead of searching for another answer or rephrasing your question, SearchGPT lets you ask follow-up questions directly. It remembers the context, just like you're having an ongoing conversation. SearchGPT versus other AI tools. Now, you're probably wondering, how does SearchGPT compare to other popular search tools and AI technologies, like Google AI, ChatGPT, or even Perplexity? Well, here's the deal. Google AI. Google is awesome for finding links, but when it comes to providing direct answers and understanding complex, conversational queries, SearchGPT takes the cake. ChatGPT. While ChatGPT is great for conversation and creative content, SearchGPT is specifically designed to enhance the search experience, giving you contextual, direct responses rather than long-form answers. Perplexity. Perplexity also uses AI to generate answers, but SearchGPT goes a step further with its citations and follow-up question capabilities, making it more interactive and reliable. Impact of SearchGPT on digital marketing. Here's where it gets really interesting for you, digital marketers. SearchGPT is a game-changer. Why? Well, it completely reshapes the way people search for information. As a marketer, you've always focused on SEO, ranking for keywords, and appearing in search results. But with SearchGPT, the focus shifts. It's not just about keywords, it's about creating conversational, context-rich content that's optimized for AI-powered search. So, if you want to stay ahead of the curve, adapt your content strategy to provide direct, engaging answers that speak directly to your audience's needs. And that, my friends, is just the beginning of what SearchGPT can do. It's an AI-powered revolution in the world of search, making information more accessible and easier to consume. For marketers and SEO experts, it's time to embrace this shift and start adapting our strategies to meet the new standards. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on how to leverage the latest digital marketing tools, including AI and SEO strategies. And if you have any questions about SearchGPT, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to chat with you about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.